How to fix IDM in Chrome. So if you want to fix IDM in Chrome, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Chrome browser. Once you open up your Chrome, now you need to just simply go with your extensions. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Under settings here, you will have the extension section. Make sure that your IDM extension is turned on, because if it is not turned on, then you might get the problems. Once it's turned on, now the next thing you need to make sure is your Chrome is up to date or your YouTube is up to date. So to update that, you need to go with the upper right again, which has that three dots, and then go with settings, go with about Chrome, and here you will have your updates on your Chrome. So if it says Chrome is up to date, then don't worry, your Chrome is up to date. But if it doesn't say that, then you will have an option to update the Chrome on the right side. You just need to simply click on update and your Chrome browser will be updated. And after that, you can just remove that and then again relaunch your browser. Once you relaunch, then your problem might be fixed. And the other thing you can try is again go with your settings, extensions, and you will have all the other extensions, right? So if you have a lot of extensions, then you just need simply go and enable or turn off all of the other extensions and only turn on the extension for IDM. Once done, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you just need simply go with your browsing history. So here, go with privacy and security, and go with delete browsing data, go with basic or advanced section, and then go with the time range. And once you've selected the time range, go with delete data. Once you've deleted, then relaunch your Chrome or refresh your page and your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.